this is where I'm at right now. So the very best goal is for me to take this entire carpet out, to wash it and dry it. This area so far is unknown to me, how to get this little, cubby, those shelves, whatever you want to call it, out, because there is the ABS module. I'm sorry, not ABS, there is the airbag module, which most likely has been submerged based on the water line on the door. So at least I would like to inspect it to make sure it is okay. All those bolts looks fine, and it's nearly on the same, here we go, there it is, right there, nearly on the same level, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So right now I'm gonna try to Google how to take this thing off. So as you saw, I already took the shifter off. I'm gonna take the handbrake off. There are like 1, 2, maybe 3 bolts, most likely four bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so it's gonna go away. I'm gonna remove this plastic plate like I did here. This one may be a little more tricky because of those latches, but in overall this is the main zone I would like to get to. There is like a puddle, the lake, as well as here you can see it's still wet. This one is the crash sensor for the airbags. It definitely has been underwater, so need to replace it too. This area, the carpet looks like has been glued to the walls, so I'm not sure what's the best way to tear it apart or what to do. Probably at one point they have a creature living here. Yeah, looks like a rodent was here. So, but no, I didn't find any wires damaged so far. Sorry for the flickering. This LED light flickers on camera. Okay, I totally disassembled the gas pedal. I kind of poured it out. So this is the main lever that I guess goes to the throttle body. I'm gonna leave it here, and this is the second cable that goes I don't know where. So there are 2 cables actually attached to the throttle pedal. I can close this for now. Sorry for this flickering again. And I'm gonna put it out of the way so I can remove the carpet, somehow secure it here or whatever. But yeah, that's interesting. Hopefully I can get it back together. It's like a Lego. So, but yeah, this part of the carpet is free. I'm gonna transition to the emergency brake. I'm gonna undo those 4 bolts and we'll go from there. Try to undo the power cable. I'm gonna make sure the battery is disconnected. and it is, and here we have probably about the same size, like, which is 13. Let's try the 13. And this is the cable, and hopefully this is the one that I'm looking for to undo. Yep. Alright. Yes. Whew. Alright, that's that. The very last piece of the puzzle, need to unstick the carpet. It's kind of glued. There is not much you can do. I need to unglue it. So probably there was no point for me to rip off the carpet, because there is one hidden screw, if I knew it, and it comes with the plastic. So now this is it. I'm probably gonna need some help. There we go. Whew. So what do we have in here? Place for the right hand drive. A gas pedal. I'm not sure how to take this part off. I would like to dry it as well. Is there any? It's like it's been glued as well, but most likely there are some hidden screws, same way as this one was holding the right side of the carpet. So those are the drain plugs. I'm not sure why I don't see any of them on the lower part of the body. Doesn't make any sense to me. I mean, how you can drain the water from here, let's say, if you have to. I don't know. I'm gonna need to check the wiring, replace those side sensors, side crash sensors. I mean, in overall, it's not bad. Whew, that was heavy. How we're doing in here. So this is the gas pedal cable. Go inside the engine bay. All right. That looks much better now. I'm gonna turn it over as well, and wash the foam, because I'll try to get rid of this kind of stinky smell. And I'm gonna turn it again, rinse the top. Yeah, this is a hidden screw, so I didn't need to rip this thing entirely if I knew the screw was there, but that's an experience, how they say. Alright, it's been around 5 days or 6 days since I disassembled the whole thing. The carpet is totally dry, that rear carpet is totally dry, and I'm gonna start to put it back together. I am still waiting for the parts for the immobilizer module to come in, and I also ordered the seat module from Europe, so I'm there is no hurry. I can wait for the seat module for sure, but I can't do anything without the immobilizer module. The handbrake is wrapped with a towel so I don't scratch it when I mangle it around here. I am still curious why the accelerator or gas pedal got two cables. So this cable is going to the throttle body in the engine, and this cable is going somewhere on the top, somewhere there. I don't really know where it comes to, so you can comment pretty much and let me know, because I'm very curious why this pedal needs two cables. Hopefully I'll be able to put it back together. Slowly but surely the interior comes back together. Those cubbies has been installed, carpet has been installed. So far the most challenging part was to assemble the the gas or accelerator pedal, because it is not drive by wire but drive by two cables. And I think I found the answer to my question, what this second cable does, that goes up, kind of up inside this center dash, inside the dash. Most likely it could be the cruise control cable. So when you set the cruise control, there is the motor that actually pulls the cable and kind of presses the accelerator pedal for you. Looks like it, at least. I don't see any other reason for the second cable to be there. The next step for me is to install this center console. So that's that. And next we're gonna replace the faulty lock for the front or front hood. I got the replacement lock here, came from 99 Boxster as well, as I see. It should be fun. And that's it pretty much. I'm gonna be waiting for those other parts to come in. Yesterday I was very happy because the replacement module came in until the moment I opened it, because I noticed it was actually in worse condition than mine. So it was also totally flooded, and I thought maybe I could use it for some spare parts to fix mine, but the connections from the relays are gone, so I cannot desolder the relay because there is no point or no contact left on the relay. It's been eaten by corrosion. So this goes back. So this is my original module. I cleaned it. Two of my relays are questionable, because one of the contacts on one of the relays is totally gone. So I used some jumper wires. I'm not sure if you can see it here. Let me try to zoom it. It's just one of them. There are a bunch of jumper wires under the relays, like this one showing from there, this one, and few of them in between of the relays. So I did my best to clean it. So yeah, that's how my module looks like right now. So far I'm gonna keep mine, and I'm gonna keep an eye open for the replacement module, because I want to trust this module even if it works. So yeah, if you have the module with this part number, let me know. I'm interested in it. The ones on eBay are starting from 380 for a used one. So the next thing is to go ahead and connect it and try to start it.